Are you looking to stay youthful and energetic as you age, or perhaps you're keen on building muscle quickly and efficiently? Both anti-aging exercises and fast muscle-building strategies are essential for maintaining a vibrant, active lifestyle. Anti-aging exercises focus on improving flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular health, which can help you feel younger and more agile. How can you integrate these approaches into your fitness routine to achieve the best results? In this video, let's explore effective strategies for both anti-aging and muscle building to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. 10. Reaction training. Anti-aging exercises focus on improving overall fitness, flexibility, and muscle tone, which can help slow down the aging process and enhance quality of life. Incorporating a mix of cardiovascular workouts, strength training, and flexibility exercises is essential. Cardiovascular exercises like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling can improve heart health and stamina, while strength training with weights or resistance bands helps build and maintain muscle mass, which tends to decline with age. Flexibility exercises such as yoga or stretching improve joint mobility and prevent stiffness. Building muscle fast requires a combination of targeted strength training, proper nutrition, and adequate recovery. Effective strategies include performing compound exercises like squats and deadlifts and bench presses, which work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, thereby maximizing muscle growth. 9. Resistance training. Resistance training, often referred to as strength training, involves exercises that target specific muscle groups using external resistance, such as weights, resistance bands, or body weight. This type of training is crucial for building and toning muscle, improving bone density, and boosting metabolic rate. Effective resistance training includes a variety of compound movements. Regular resistance workouts not only enhance physical strength but also improve functional fitness, aiding in daily activities and injury prevention. To achieve optimal results, it's essential to balance resistance exercises with proper nutrition, including adequate protein intake, and ensure sufficient recovery time between sessions. 8. Aerobics. Aerobics is a form of cardiovascular exercise that focuses on enhancing the efficiency of the heart, lungs, and circulatory system. It involves sustained, rhythmic activities such as running, swimming, cycling, or dancing designed to elevate the heart rate and maintain it within a target zone for an extended period. This continuous, moderate-intensity exercise helps improve cardiovascular endurance, burn calories, and reduce body fat. Regular participation in aerobic activities can improve blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and increase stamina. It's often recommended for maintaining a healthy weight and managing chronic conditions such as diabetes and hypertension. Additionally, incorporating a variety of aerobic exercises into your routine can keep workouts engaging and prevent boredom while delivering comprehensive fitness benefits. 7. Arm and leg crosses. Arm and leg crosses are a dynamic exercise that targets core stability, coordination, and flexibility. To perform this exercise, start by lying on your back with your arms extended out to the sides and your legs straight. Lift your legs slightly off the ground and cross one leg over the other while simultaneously reaching across your body with the opposite arm. For example, if your right leg crosses over your left arm should reach toward the right leg. Return to the starting position and alternate sides. This exercise engages the oblique muscles of the abdomen, improves balance, and enhances the functionality of your core. It also helps to increase flexibility in the hips and shoulders. Arm and leg crosses can be integrated into a warm-up routine, used as a core strengthening exercise, or included in a full-body workout. 6. High-impact movement. High-impact movements involve exercises that exert a significant force on the body, typically involving both feet leaving the ground. These movements are characterized by their intensity and are designed to improve cardiovascular fitness, strength, and agility. For instance, jumping jacks, burpees, and box jumps are all high-impact exercises that engage multiple muscle groups and elevate the heart rate. These movements are effective for boosting cardiovascular endurance, enhancing muscle power, and burning calories. However, they place greater stress on the joints and bones compared to low-impact exercises, which means proper technique and gradual progression are crucial to minimize the risk of injury. 5. Stair climbing. Stair climbing is a highly effective cardiovascular exercise that involves ascending and descending stairs. This activity provides a robust workout for the lower body, targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Each step up requires significant effort from these muscles, which helps build strength and endurance while also improving overall fitness. Additionally, stair climbing is an excellent way to elevate your heart rate, enhancing cardiovascular health and burning calories. The intensity of stair climbing can be easily adjusted by varying the speed, adding weights, or incorporating intervals of faster climbing. This exercise is low cost and can be performed using stairs in your home, office, or a public space. It's also a weight-bearing exercise which supports bone health and can help improve bone density over time. 4. Hanging leg raise. This targets muscles in the midsection known as the core. The hanging leg raise is an advanced core exercise that targets the abdominal muscles, particularly the lower abs, and also engages the hip flexors and forearms. To perform this exercise, you need a sturdy horizontal bar or pull-up bar. Start by gripping the bar with both hands, allowing your body to hang freely with your arms fully extended. Engage your core and keeping your legs straight, raise them slowly toward your chest, or until they are parallel to the ground. Lower your legs back down with control, avoiding swinging or using momentum. This exercise helps improve core strength, stability, and overall grip strength. To increase the challenge, you can add variations such as bending your knees or holding a dumbbell between your feet. Proper form is crucial to maximize effectiveness and reduce the risk of injury. Ensure that your movements are controlled and avoid using your back to lift your legs. 3. Standing calf raise. The standing calf raise is a straightforward yet effective exercise targeting the calf muscles, specifically the gastrocnemius and soleus. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your weight evenly distributed. Start by rising up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as possible, and squeezing your calves at the top of the movement. Slowly lower your heels back down to the starting position, fully stretching your calves. This exercise helps build strength and endurance in the calves, improves ankle stability, and can enhance overall lower leg function. To avoid strain, maintain a controlled pace and avoid bouncing. Incorporating standing calf raises into your routine can lead to stronger, more defined calves and contribute to improved balance and lower leg performance. 2. Squats. Squats are a fundamental strength training exercise that primarily targets the muscles of the lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. To perform a squat, begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Engage your core and keep your chest up as you bend your knees and lower your hips as if you were sitting back into a chair. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground or as low as your mobility allows, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. Squats not only build muscle strength and endurance in the lower body, but also engage the core and improve overall stability and balance. They can be performed with body weight alone or with additional resistance, such as dumbbells, a barbell, or a kettlebell, to increase intensity. Variations of squats like goblet squats, front squats, and sumo squats can target different muscle groups and provide a more comprehensive workout. 1. Walking. Walking is one of the simplest and most accessible forms of exercise, offering numerous health benefits. It involves a natural, low-impact movement that engages the entire body, especially the legs, core, and lower back. Regular walking can improve cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and circulation, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Walking also supports weight management by burning calories, improving metabolism, and enhancing overall fitness. It's gentle on the joints, making it suitable for people of all fitness levels and those with joint issues or arthritis. To maximize benefits, aim for brisk walking, which involves walking at a pace that increases your heart rate, but still allows you to hold a conversation. Incorporating variety, such as walking on different terrains or adding slight inclines, can enhance the workout and prevent boredom. Regular walking is an effective, low-cost way to maintain a healthy lifestyle, improve physical fitness, and promote overall well-being. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.